And this is the end. This is the end. We have the bowl. So hi my friends, today we're gonna have a really fun DIY. We are gonna be making Easter basket for the kids. Easter basket for the kids. So we have all of these goodies here, all of these goodies. We got all of these goodies here, right? We got a Peeps, we got a Starburst, we got a teddy bears, we got the bubbles, we got the stuffed toys, we got the candy, we got the bowls. It's gonna be an awesome time. Okay guys, stay tuned. Full circle in making an Easter basket for my son. Alrighty, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I am going to stuff this basket with some tissue paper for height. So I'm stuffing it in here for height. I'm gonna use this green, and then I'm gonna use some white. So he's a boy, and you know how it is with boys. So I'm gonna like stuff this in here. Yeah, so we have the height we want. So next what I'm gonna do now is, and all these things were bought by the Dollar Tree. Yes, wonderful Dollar Tree. So I have this for him, right? I'm gonna stuff this in there also. Okay, this is gonna be in the back, right? Because I want to put the tall ones in the back and the smaller ones at the front. Okay guys, I'm gonna put my son's pool table. It's a little tabletop game. It's gonna go in there. I have some candy for him, but that will go in a little bit later. Got this little bear for him. So cute. And got him his lollipops. Beautiful pastel colors. It's gonna go right in here. We got his Peeps. We can't forget the Peeps now. So in the other video I made with my daughter's own, I actually forgot to put the Peeps in. So as soon as I mentioned the Peeps, I had to run back and open her basket and make sure I put her Peeps in, you know. Because I don't want anybody saying, Mommy, you know, you didn't put my own in. You know. Do you like Jabari more than me? No. I don't want it. I don't want trouble. Putting some of the shredded wrap in there also. Just a little bit, right? And what I'm going to do next is I am going to put the Starburst also in there. Wrap it around. Wrap a little bit of the shredded strip on it to give it a little pizzazz. You know I love saying that word, pizzazz. Give it a little pizzazzy zazzaz. And yeah, this is it here. So I'm putting most of the tall things, as I said before, in the back. And some the smaller ones to the front. So I have his candy here. Have his candy. Cute little candies. Like lollipop, like ring pops. You know the kids, they love ring pops, guys. I mean, my kids, they go crazy over the ring pops. And what I have for him is, I also have one of the cute little bunnies, the chickens, that I had for my daughter's own. So when you wind these up, it's gonna actually, woo! It's gonna actually peck. So cute. So I'm gonna put his one in here. And yeah, I think I'm all set. That's it. See, it's not too long, guys, not too long. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna like put a little bit some more of the shredded pieces in there to give it a little look. Not forgetting the bubbles. The bubbles. How could we forget the bubbles? I mean, the bubbles are like the star of the show. You know, these kids, they love their bubbles. You know? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get a wrap now. And I'm going to put it in the bag. In one of the bags. In the shrinkage bag to seal the deal now. In the shrinkage bag deal, I'm going to just put it into the nice bag to have it looking complete. We got to have it complete now. You know what I'm saying? Yes. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put it in this bag. My kids are going to be so excited. So excited, you know? This is actually like their first Easter basket. So I'm very, very, very excited about it. Just smoothing up the sides of it to make sure it's ready to roll. To make sure it's ready. Tie off for it. Have like a wire tie off to put on top of it, and I'm going to seal the deal with a nice bow. So I'm trying to get all the air out of it right now. So here I'm putting the tie off around the top of it to make the bag secure. Right, and next what I'm going to do is now I'm going to stick this beautiful silver bow on the top of it to seal the deal. So this is the end of it, and this is the end. This is the end. We have the bow. Yes, so it is finished. It is the end. We have all our goodies in here. If you made it this far, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for being with me. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. You guys are awesome. You guys rock. See you in the next video. Okay, guys? Be safe. Stay healthy. Until I see you again. Okay? Much love. Mwah, mwah, mwah.